Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Monday Special. With you is Oluwakorewa. Congratulations, last week our free banker 81 for the channel, it dropped live. The free banker in position dropped live, and for those people that are following me up on WhatsApp, we had 44 in our longer permutation. So if you're one of the lucky winners on that one, congratulations to you. If you're able to use the 81, carry it 1 to 90, congratulations to you too. So let's dive straight into today's plan. I'll start with the simplest one, then go back to the plan that supplied us 81 as a banker last week. So let us start with this three numbers in position. But before we start with the three numbers in position, if you observe, I did not post Sunday as I said yesterday. I didn't get enough engagement on my last video. So if you want me to still keep pushing content so that I can post my videos, what you have to do for this channel is like this video and comment. If you are new, if you've just been coming, you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Most importantly, guys, like this video for me. It goes a long way for me and my channel, helps us reach wider audience and avoid the strike. Let's go on these three numbers in position. Let's go, guys. 62 play in center ball position on Nationals board at event number 2863. 62 played in center ball machine. On Monday specials current at event number 1039, 62 play in center ball machine. After 62 maintain position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 10 will play first ball machine, 75 will play fourth ball machine. After 62 in position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 10 will play first ball machine and 75 will play fourth ball machine. Not just that, 20 again to maintain second ball in winning. After 10 and 75 played, not just these two numbers in position, 20 should also maintain position. That is second ball winning. Now, it's telling us 1, 2, 3 weeks down. Very simple and straightforward. 57 in position to turn. Remember when we land on an event and we find a number that play and repeat. Now, let's go follow Lotto trick. Let us go and follow Lotto's trick. When these three numbers play in position, the following week, this one kept single 7 under 75, underneath 75. While on the current plan now, this one set it in position and kept 70 underneath. Now, it kept 70 underneath. This one kept single 7. This one that kept single 7 turned single 7 to 70. So, this one that played 70 should turn 70 to single 7. This is. Now, if this game should supply us the turning of whatever is under this place, let's go on the plan, another plan again. Let's prove single 7. Yeah, let's go on this plan. This one here supplied us banker 81 last week. 27 and 62 in position. First ball machine and second ball machine. This one said 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 20 will play second ball winning. On Monday specials board, first time, 27, 62 in position. Monday special said 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 will play in center ball winning. And on the current, Monday specials current, when these two numbers maintain position again, 27 and 62, 1, 2, 3, it used 4 weeks but kept the 20 in position that the compare is showing. Now, after keeping 20 in this position that this compare is showing us here, this one on Monday special said 81 to play last ball winning here. This one that kept the same game in position, 20 in position, is still telling us 81 should play last ball. And our free banker 81 dropped last week. Now, after 81 had played, what is the next game to expect on this two? Before we go on that, check single 7 out here is in center ball winning. On our 3 numbers position that I'm presenting today, 3 numbers position, 70 that I'm expecting to turn also landed in position. That same center ball, it's where the 70 also landed here. So now on Monday special's own, Monday special as well said after 81 maintained position, it's still showing us 70. Monday special said 70. This one that kept it in position insists on single 7. The reading plan we are following shows us single 7. It is single 7 this plan we use, but not just single 7. It said 81 will play, 81 will repeat on this one. On Monday special as well, it said 81 will play and 81 will repeat to machine. But 81 did not maintain last ball on this Monday special. This one kept 81 in last ball. This one too kept 81 in last ball. But for last week results, 81 did not play in last ball. So I'm not going to be laying much emphasis on this one. But I would like us to observe banker 24. Now, after 81, they are showing us either single 7 or 70. 81 to repeat. This one even said it's going to machine. Now, 24 in last ball position, machine here. Why do I like single 7 more? Check this one on Monday special out. It used 16, while Monday special currently used 61 in the machine. I still prefer single 7. But observe 24 in last ball machine here. First time Monday special played it. He played 24 in last ball machine. This one as well played 24 in last ball machine. For our brothers that do play winning and machine, we have 24, but has more tendency of playing in the machine more than winning. And taking us back to this overall plan. This is the overall plan for today. Single 7 would play as a banker. Single 7 would play as a banker. Take note of single 7. Now, I'm going to be using the turning of this game because this one said these 2 numbers that lap here in this position, these 2 numbers should turn in and play close. Now, this one is using the turning. What if it used 75 to play with single 7? But definitely, strong banker, the very strongest banker for today is single 7. That is my own take. So, let me know what's your own take on this plan. What did you say about this plan? 3 numbers in position This event is winning Lotto for us today, and it is proving us what to play from it. So let me know what's your own take on this event as well. If you find value in this content, if this is the type of content you are looking for and you want me to post more video, you see I didn't post Aseda yesterday, like this video for me. It helped me reach wider audience. Then don't be selfish or stingy with your own too. I did not keep my plans. If you have something different from what I have shown in this video, please put it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. If you have a very beautiful plan as well, please put it in the comment section. Say something, like this video, share and subscribe. Until I see you guys again, do enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck.